To use the sound equalizer on Soundcore Liberty NC4, first we need to open a Soundcore app on the smartphone device that is currently connected with our earbuds, and here select them from the list. Now when we scroll down, there's the option for sound effects, and right here we can find our equalizer. So there's options to create your custom equalizer, and the default one, which you can select different presets, and there's also here ID sound, which requires a further setup, and there's no point at me showing you how to do this, as you just need to follow instructions on screen. Now we can go for a default one and then choose a preset equalizer. If you like, for example, bass, you can look for something like a bass, which is a bass booster right here. Or you can go for custom equalizer, and if you're interested in the equalizer settings, you can customize them right here for yourself. And there's a plus button, which also allows you to create multiple different equalizer presets.